Hi everyone, welcome back. I am going to show you how to make one of these. This is a walnut and cherry end grain cutting board I'm making for a customer for a Christmas present. This is my first time making a checkerboard style end grain board. I've made like the chaotic boards. I actually have one. I've made them like this before, just kind of like random scraps and stuff like that. So this is my first time trying to be a little bit more precise and make something more symmetrical, not so random. I think it turned out awesome. I'm so excited about it. And I finished it with organic coconut oil, unrefined at first, and that didn't, in hindsight, that was a bad idea because I realized that everything that person cuts is going to smell like coconut. So what I did was I put it in the oven and at 170 and let the oil kind of come out, and then recoated it with refined coconut oil so it doesn't smell so bad, or good, depending on if you like coconut, I guess. So here's how I did it.